Alright guys, today I'm going to be cooking up these plantains in the air fryer. I've never tried them plantains before, so this is my first time doing it. So I'm just going to peel it, chop it up, and put it in the air fryer. And then I'll do a quick taste test. Alright, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, there it is, all the plantains all chopped up. Now I've never had plantains before, as I mentioned. I tried what it would taste like just raw. It tastes like a really green banana. But it's like more astringent sort of thing. So we're gonna bake it up. Um, yeah, I don't recommend you doing it. So okay, so like I said, I was just curious. The texture is exactly like a banana. So yeah, and you know how brown and dark you saw it? It didn't actually make any difference. So if you look at that, there's no brown marks at it at all. So, all right, guys, let's cook this up. Alright, so here's in the air fryer. I got it for about 150 at 6-7 minutes. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, it's all done. We're gonna do a quick taste test. It might be a little bit longer, but there it is. It tastes like I guess it's good actually. Slightly sweet, very slightly sweet, and not overly sweet. Doesn't have any aroma, and has like a slight maybe tart smell to it, like a tart. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Texture like a banana, but it's slightly sweet. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. Yeah, tasty. All right, stay tuned for more videos.